my birthday.
I know it's your birthday. That's why we're here. See? He said he want to go to the movies after this.
Yeah,
I said, we'll see how much time we have.
we're not going to stay here for 5 hours.
Make sure you don't swallow no water.
I have a canker sore.
Go in the water. I'll film you.
3.
There's a lot of people here today. You having fun, son? Oops, sorry. Sorry. Oh, my bad, brother. Everybody's bumping into everybody. Everybody's bumping into everybody. It's a lot of people at the lazy river. There's Sister Madison, Mommy. All right, everybody go underwater. We're gonna film. Pumpkin, we're gonna go underwater. All right, ready? 1, brother, get underwater. 1, 2, 3. If you guys have glasses, make sure you hang on to your glasses. Can't even see. Is it still running? If you guys have glasses, make sure you hang on to your glasses. You'll lose them in the water.
What are you shutting down?
There's my wife right here. Here's my daughter, Madison, and Ethan. You guys having fun? Maybe we'll go to the slide later on. Anyhow, more videos. See ya.